Hello, I'm Anne McGowan, Nurse Consultant for the Vaccine Preventable Disease Programme team at Public Health Wales. I'm also a member of the Joint Committee of Vaccination and Immunisation. This means I contribute to the advice that the JCVI makes for the COVID-19 vaccine, but today I'm speaking here in a personal capacity. Cases of COVID-19 are still very high. The new variants are even more contagious, and we're rolling out the largest vaccination programme Wales has ever delivered. So I want to talk to you about how important it is, now more than ever, for all of us, whether we've had the vaccine or not, to continue to follow all the guidance. Staying at home, reducing all but essential contact with others and keeping 2 meters apart, self-isolating when you need to, washing hands regularly and wearing a mask when required. This is not only to protect yourself, but also your family and friends and the NHS, so it can continue to save lives during this critical time. Public Health Wales is working closely with the Welsh Government, who are leading on the rollout of the COVID-19 vaccines through the local health boards in Wales. The role of Public Health Wales includes providing guidance, advice and information on vaccines to make sure that as many people as possible are vaccinated safely and quickly. The COVID-19 vaccines that are now being rolled out in Wales, it's fantastic news for saving lives, protecting the NHS, and for getting life going again as soon as we can. But we still have a long way to go in this pandemic before we can begin to relax the other measures and guidance that are protecting people. From trials involving thousands of people, both the Pfizer-BioNTech and Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccines have excellent effectiveness. We know that these vaccines will reduce the number of people going into hospital and will prevent COVID deaths. The vaccine effectiveness is high. It's between 70 to 95% for both vaccines, which is very successful. For reference, an average flu vaccine has anywhere between 30 and 60% effectiveness. Even though the two vaccines are very successful, no vaccine is 100% effective. At this stage, we don't know whether the vaccine stops us catching and passing on the virus to others. We hope that this will be the case further down the line, but we don't know this yet. For now, whilst the number of cases in our community is still so high, for all of us, even if you've had the vaccine, either 1 or 2 doses, it's really important that you continue to follow all the guidance, both to protect yourself, but the people around you as well. So you must continue to stay at home for now, reducing all but essential contact with others, keep 2 meters apart, self-isolate when you need to, washing hands regularly, and wearing a mask when required. Vaccination will save lives, but it's more important than ever to follow the guidance to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Thank you for everything that you're doing to keep Wales safe. We've all made sacrifices. Let's keep going. And if the situation eases, we will all hope that restrictions will ease and we can look forward to getting back to normal life. Thank you.